good YouTube? Driller running up with another trading video. And today we're going to get into brokers. A broker is basically where you deposit your money into an account, and we're basically you get into the fun part, trading. Okay, so my personal broker is Eagle FX. And as you can see, we're going to go click sign up, put in your information, date of birth, name, etc. Click sign up. Make sure you have a correct email address where you have access to, because they're going to send an email for verification purposes. So you're going to verify email, let them know it's you, then they're going to take you into it. So I just personally made me a Osprey FX to show you guys how it does work once you log in. But the first thing you need to do is be verified from Cash App, because that's how I put my money in from Bitcoin to Cash App, and I transfer it to here. So once you get in, this is the main screen. Each screen going to look different, of course, but this is the main screen. We're going to go to accounts. This is how you set up an account. Account type, you're going to go to MetaTrader 4, ECN, live account, currency, whatever your currency is. I'm USD, account leverage, 500, create an account. Once you create an account, be on the lookout for your credentials to get sent to your Yahoo. Please have your Yahoo password written down, because you're going to need it to sign in, for verification purposes, and etc. Deposits, you basically want to go to Bitcoin. If you want to deposit $30 into your account, buy $30 worth of Bitcoin, send a Bitcoin address, transfers, withdrawals, KYC. We're going to get into KYC. It's basically verification. You may need to upload the proof of ID, which is, you know what I'm saying, your license. And this is for verification purposes, just in case somebody want to log into your account. So this is for security. So no one will get your account, and etc. So withdrawals, same thing. If you hit big in Forex, you want to take your money out, withdrawal type, Bitcoin, etc. You want to transfer your money from here to your MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is basically where we execute at. That's on your phone. It's the app where we transfer our money from here into the MetaTrader 4 to trade with. And like I say, deposits, you want to deposit Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin address once you buy $30 or whatever you bought. Wallet, it should pop up right here, Bitcoin. Our amount, if you say $30, it should say 00 point, etc. Then it may take 15 minutes, may take 24 hours, depending on, you know, because I mean, a lot of people have this broker. So if a lot of people is trying to deposit money at one time, it may take a little bit longer, but yeah, that's all you do. And once it deposit, you will see your main balance will be up here, $30 or etc., whatever you have. But yeah, this is how you set up a broker. Let's get paid. Let's run it up, guys. VS to the top. And like I said, my personal broker is Eagle FX. I do the same thing, you know, get verified, pay attention to email. They're going to send the login credentials, you know. Yeah, that's how we do, guys. This is how you set up a broker account to trade with. Peace.